Welcome viewers. Have you seen this problem? This is 2-in-1 problem. An organic compound with a vapor density of what? 56.5 has a following percentage composition. Carbon is 53.1, nitrogen, oxygen, hydrogen, and so on. Now this is 2-in-1 question. Now this organic compound is what? The 2-in-1 question involve empirical formula and molecular formula, and you are asked to calculate what? The molecular formula of what? The compound. So you need to first of all do the empirical formula first. After you have done the empirical formula, then you now come and do the molecular formula. Do you understand? Now watch out. I will teach you step by step in which you can use and solve this particular problem. Like I said, we are going to use the empirical formula first. We are going to arrange our hydrocarbons, the organic compound. So we have the organic compound is what? The empirical formula. Empirical formula. In empirical formula, we first of all take carbon. You get that? Carbon, we take what? Hydrogen. We take what? Oxygen, and we take what? Nitrogen. According to our option here, carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and nitrogen. Let us solve it like that. Now, carbon here has, what is the percentage of carbon? What is the percentage? 53.1%. Hydrogen, what is the percentage? 66.2%. Oxygen, what is the percentage? 28.3%. And nitrogen, what is the percentage? 12.4%. These are the various percentage of the compound given, or the element given. The next thing you are going to do, since it is empirical formula, you are going to divide all through by the atomic masses. Divide all through by what? Their atomic masses. What is the atomic mass of carbon? Carbon has what? 12 as atomic mass. 12. They did not give us here, but we need to do it since it is an empirical formula. Carbon has what? 12. Hydrogen has what? 1. Oxygen, what's the atomic mass of oxygen? Okay, what's the atomic mass? Very good. 16. Divided by what? 16. Atomic mass of nitrogen, what? 14. Very good. So here we have what? 14. So when you divide this one by this one, let's divide. 53.1 divided by what? Divided by 12. What do we have? We have 4.4 divided by what? 14. We have what? 0.9. Now, the rule of empirical formula says that after you have divided all through by the atomic masses, the next one you have to divide all through by the smallest number. Divide all through by the smallest number. Which one is the smallest? We have 4.4, 6.2, 1.8, 0.9. Which one is small? Of course, 0.9 is smaller. So you are going to divide all through by what? The smallest. So you divide this one by what? 0.9. 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 Do you get that? So if you divide 4.4 by what? 0.9, what do you have? We have 4.8. Since it is 4.8, we are going to approximate it to be what? To be 5. Do you get that? 6 point, what do you have? We have here, we have what? 2. Do you get that? And here, of course, this one divided by this one will give us what? 1. Therefore, our carbon is 5. Hydrogen is what? 7. Oxygen is what? 2. And nitrogen is what? 1. So 1 is nitrogen. It doesn't end there. This is your what? Empirical formula. Empirical. This is your empirical formula. Now we now go and look for what? Our molecular formula, because we are asked to calculate what? The molecular formula of the compound. Are you following? Now the molecular formula, the formula you use in solving a molecular. Now they gave us a vapor density. Anytime you hear vapor density in solving an organic compound like this, empirical formula, molecular formula, you have to multiply by what? 2. You times it by 2. Do you understand? Now our molecular formula now. Molecular formula. So molecular formula is, you take this one, C5H7O2 and N. Put it in brackets. Put X there. This S is what you are going to use. You equate it to what? Equate it to the vapor density, which is what? 56.15. Now, the vapor density I told you is what? You multiply by 2. So, multiply by what? By 2. Do you understand? Vapor density in organic compound, like you multiply by what? By 2. Do you understand? Now, let's proceed. Now, carbon. We are going to look at carbon here. Carbon, the atomic mass of carbon is what? 12. 12 times 5. Plus hydrogen is what? Hydrogen is 1. 1 times 7. Plus oxygen is what? 16. 16 times 2. Plus nitrogen, it does not have anything, so you add the word 14. Close the bracket. X, this is X, is equals to the vapor density 56.5 times 2 give what? 113. Do you get that? Since I finished one, let me wipe this one so that you see it clearly. Now 12 times 5 is 32 plus 14, close your bracket, X is equals to what? 113. Are you following? That is how, this is the method used in calculating. We are going to add this one. If we add this one, 60 plus 7 plus 32 plus, we give what? 113x is equals to what? 113. So divide both sides by what? 113. 113. So our value of x now will be equals to what? Equals to 1. Do you understand? So if x is 1, you now take it to this formula. Are you following? So you take it to that formula. Now say x 5H7O2N bracket 1. So multiply this 1 by 5. 1 times 5 will give us what? 5. 1 times 7 give us what? 7. 1 times 2 give us what? 2. 1 times n will give us what? N. So this is our correct answer. Which one has the correct answer? So the formula is what? C5H7O2 and what? N. Where is it? C5H7O2 and what? N. So our correct option is what? Option D. Please, for more of this video, subscribe to Ojema YouTube channel, or you follow us on Facebook on Ojema Online Chemistry. Do well to share this video.